back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I have another synthetic wig review for you guys. So today's video is brought to you by OUTRE. They didn't sponsor this video, but they did gift me this wig. So I am going to be reviewing a wig. I think HERMINIA is probably 2 months old, but like in the last couple of months I have been having protective styles like crochets and knotless braids and stuff. So some of the new releases that came out over the summer, I missed them. So I'm going to still review this one here. This is from the OUTRE Melted Hairline series, which is one of my favorite series from OUTRE. And this is in the style HERMINIA. And I have her in the color DR Chocolate Swirl, which is a color I have reviewed on my channel before. So she is like a medium length side part wig. So this is what HERMINIA looks like here. This appears to be kind of a silky texture, but not like too silky. It is a, oh, okay, it's a left part wig. And not all the time I mention what side the parting space is on in my reviews unless it's a left side part wig, because most wigs are right side part wigs. So I typically mention it if it's a left side part because it's in the minority. This is what the lace looks like. It's on the light side there. You get 5 inches of parting space. You get some elastic in the cap. You get a comb in the back as well as adjustable straps. So let's just try her on. I'm going to try her on without the elastic and see how she feels. She feels pretty snug. She feels pretty snug. This is a nice everyday length we have going on here. OUTRE, you know we love OUTRE, but they have been dropping the ball as far as the hairlines on the OUTRE Melted Hairline series, because that is round. That is just round right there. Like, not every wig you want to go in and tweeze it up. Now, I have the time to do that today, so I'm going to, but come on, what happened to the OUTRE Melted Hairline series from last year? Who wants to do that? I mean, if we're going to be given that kind of hairline, just do a simple part wig, you know? Like, it's all the way thick, all the way around. I'm going to tweeze the hairline and see what we can do, but that is so annoying. I don't understand why that is happening. If you are interested in how I tweeze my hairlines, I do have several videos where I do that. I do have a how to tweeze your hairline on your wig kind of video. I'll put that on the info card if you are interested. I'm going to do it and I'll be back. Alright, so I took about, I guess, 10 to 15 minutes to tweeze that hairline up, and it took a while. So this is the amount of hair I tweezed out of the hairline. I don't like to do that, but if I have to, I will. This is what the hairline looks like now. It has been thinned out. Okay, so we have her here. So now I'm going to take my hot comb. This is my Andis hot comb. I have it on level 10 on here. And I'm just going to start to smooth out like the direction of the hair, just so I can show off that tweezed hairline that I have. And then we got some humpiness right here that needs to be flattened. I'm not going to take it through the length of the hair because I don't want to get rid of the curls. And that's one thing I love about synthetic wigs, is that they're already styled. Is this some filler hairs up in here? What is this? It's a track. Okay. Oh yeah, it's a track. And the track kind of lifted because I'm going to have to cut that out. That has lifted, so I'm just going to cut it out. Now we can apply and style. So it is on the small side, in my opinion, like small to medium, but I'm still gonna try out this elastic band, because when I first applied it, that was without it. So this is small to medium. The hairline is still thick, but it's not as bad as it was. I mean, OUTRE filled this hairline to the brim. Now that it's on my head, I might tweeze it a little bit more. My goodness. You should not have to do that much tweezing. That's my thing. And I'm just pulling it down on my face so I don't tweeze any of my own hair. Just thinning it out some more because it was just too thick. And I'm not really focusing on the side over here because my hair is going to be covering that side. Just the front of the hairline and this side over here.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet talk to me nice.
All right, guys, so I am back and I have installed HERMINIA, and baby, this took so long to apply and get it together. So right off the bat, that is a huge con. I don't feel like this is beginner friendly. I feel like if you're gonna have a hairline this thick, you need to just make it a part of the simple part wig lines, because that was just a lot of work. And I feel like I have advanced skills with my wigs, but that took so long. I just reviewed 2 other wigs before this that were human hair, and this one, I think those took probably, to apply the hairline, I think it took maybe 10-15 minutes. This took like an hour for me to get the hairline together, melt it down, baby hairs, tint the lace. It just was a lot. So it was probably like 45 minutes to an hour. So huge con is that it's not beginner friendly and the hairline was not tweezed. Those are my two major cons. So really everything after that is a pro. I think this style is super cute. This is an asymmetrical style. I didn't notice that at first. Yeah, like on the stock card, or maybe I have it a little bit too much to the side, but I don't think I do. Yeah, it doesn't look asymmetrical on the card, but in reality, it looks like I have more hair on the right side versus the left side. But I don't mind that. I think the style is cute. It gives old Hollywood a little bit with like the wave. This color is stunning. You know, OUTRE does color, you know, to perfection. But even though they did not tweeze the hairline up, you do have space to tweeze it up and customize it. So if you have the time, you can customize it, and I think it looks so much more natural. And I just went outside to do a sunlight test for you guys, and the way that I tinted this lace, it looks good outside, and it's low light today. And I did not tint it with my Even lace spray. I used just my foundation on a brush like this and then put it on top of my lace, and I melted it down with my elastic band, which is like a staple to me when it comes to melting my lace. And it looks very good. We have a little bit of baby hairs over here. I have it behind my ear. This is what it looks like out. This is a cute style. Like, it's really cute. I told y'all I reviewed 2 weeks before this, and this is the last wig I'm going to be doing today. And I'm going to keep this on because I don't feel like when I go outside I'm going to look stupid, because I've already been outside to do the sunlight test for you guys, and I feel like it passed. And I have to say, even though I'm disappointed with how the hairline is not tweezed, this lace is pretty easy to work with, because I revisited Camille and I still have to attempt to get the lace together again. That lace from Bobbi Boss that I forgot what that collection was called, but it came out at the beginning of 2020. It is so hard to work with. Like, oh my gosh. This wasn't that hard to work with after you get the color, you know, the color of your lace right. It melts pretty well. It's not as thick as that Bobbi Boss lace. This melts really good after you work with it a little bit. So I'm gonna give this a solid 8. It probably would have gotten an 8.5, or even a 9 if the hairline was tweezed, because that took so long, and then squeezing those tweezers hurt my hand. But this is really, really cute. And I recently reviewed CHOSWI from OUTRE, which was kind of similar to this, but it was shorter. This is a little bit longer. I'm 6 feet tall, and the longest part kind of falls on me about 14, maybe even 16 inches on the longest part, and then this side is like 12 to 14. So this is what we're giving here. This is not a yaki texture, but it's not a silky yaki to where it just looks unnatural. The cap size is small to medium. Left side part for the left side part girls, but I'm open to whatever part in space is available if it's cute. So I feel like this is going to be a wig for people who like these kind of medium lengths. But I will say, for everyday purposes, this is going to be annoying. I just would go with a simple part wig if you want to wear it every day, especially to work. But if you have a little bit more time to give to your wig, then I would say get this wig. So yeah, and I'm glad I put in the time to, you know, get her together, because she's cute. All right, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Turn on your notifications so you're notified every time I do uploads. We are getting into Q4, okay? I don't know when this video is going up, but we're getting into Q4, and I'm going to be very consistent on my channel. So look out for uploads 3 times a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. That is my schedule, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.